Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar gained 0.5% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 3.7%, following a 4% intra-session dip. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices surpassed the key $2,800 mark for the first time on Friday, fueled by a rush to safety following US President Donald Trump's tariff threats, which heightened concerns about global economic growth and inflationary pressures. The US dollar advanced against major currencies on Friday, while the Canadian dollar weakened and the Mexican peso edged higher after the White House reiterated that President Donald Trump will impose tariffs. US President Donald Trump's trade tariffs on Canadian and Mexican oil imports will offer European and Asian refineries a competitive advantage against their US rivals. Trump ordered 25% tariffs on Canadian and Mexican imports and 10% on goods from China, starting on Tuesday.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch retail sales will be released at 5:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's monetary base at 23:50 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate will be released at 8 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.